comes Miller on the move. Miller spins. Finger roll. Beauty.
And got the foul. What a move by Willie Miller. You know, that's the kind of move that will make the Smart Gilas youngsters look in awe at their idols. You watch this. A move with the left hand, and you know that he's left-handed.
And the foul rather is against CJ Giles, his first. Ayan na, yan ang delikado pag salubong na kilay ni Willie. That means he's all business.
Oh, yeah. Well, Willie Miller didn't play the last few games over at FIBA Asia Championships because of a groin pull. And he was telling me just before this game that it's the first time he suffered such an injury. And he says, boy, it really hurts. But he's finished with that. He says he's through. He's had his therapy, and he's 100%.
He looks like he's 100% tonight. Casio for three. In and out. Rebound for Sonny Toss.
See the way Willie Miller defended Casio with that three-point shot. A little over-anxious, that play of Powerade.
8.5 remaining in the opening quarter. Smart Gilas down by 6 points. Chapin thought about the three. Handoff, Castro. Here's Barakael, top of the key. Barakael attacks. Giles spins, foul, and
we go to the free throws. Yeah. You notice with Coach Raiko Taraman's play, he has these two big men set up high as the ball is crossing the line. So they're not posting up immediately, because if you post up immediately, it'll draw the defense towards you and it'll cut off the options. So what he does is he has these two big men come up high, and then once the ball is over the quarter court, then either Giles or Japeth Aguilar will go to the low post. That way they'll be in a better position to get the ball where they want, closer to the basket.
And 2 for 2 for CJ Giles.
And so far he's the only scorer for Smart Gilas.
8:12 remaining in the opening quarter. High looper for Ranadel won't work. Here comes Casio. He steps on the gas. Casio on the move. Casio with nowhere to go.
A good transition defense here by Powerade.
Jump blocked by Giles. His first of the night.
Now you see Smart Gilas stepping on the gas now a little bit.
Now they step on the brakes, and they're organized on the half-court tip. Here's Aguilar. Chapin hands off. Castro gets the shoot. Castro over to Barakael. Top of the key. Air ball. And in a moment, we'll see the entry of Mark Baroka for Smart Gilas. Meantime, here's Dillinger. Dillinger lost the ball. Sunny toss. Nice move. And it rolls in.
It looks like a foul on the play. Crowd reacting a little bit here with Andy Baroka rising from the bench. Coach Toraman seeing that his outside shooters are not on target at this point. And Baroka, you know that he can light it up from the outside. He's now checking in. You know, just to refresh our memories, as far as Baroka is concerned, he scored 28 points in that Champions Cup game, FIBA Asia Champions Cup game in Jakarta this year. When Smart Gilas beat Lebanon 91-86, Baroka scored 28 points in that game.
Powerade Team Pilipinas getting the basketball again. Up by 6 points. James Yak for three. Rebound from Giles. Baroka with his first touch of the basketball. They'll reset here with 16 on the shot clock. Here's two. Aguilar. 8 to shoot. Aguilar to Giles. 5 to shoot. Baroka fires. Oh, down to the putback slam. That's really the game of Giles. He's not going to ask for special plays. He's just going to get those loose balls and get those rebounds.
That's right. He's playing within the system. You notice that he's not a ball hog. He's giving up the ball. He's setting up, picks up high. But Sunny Toss getting it from the outside. Now you talk about even distribution. You've got 4 players now from Powerade scoring points. You've got 1 player from Smart Gilas contributing everything.
Here's Baroka. As we near the halfway mark of the opening quarter, and a traveling violation against Chu.
Powerade playing excellent defense. Apart from the fact that Giles has been able to get away with some shots from the inside, I think his teammates have completely been silenced here by Powerade.
We'll back with more action in a moment.
Gravy and original recipe chicken. The more you taste, the more you love.
You're just so thin, girl, thin, girl.
Hi. Delivery po.
Basta LBC, makakarating.
Last season, she survived hell.
2 Western diplomats visiting that country were assassinated the same day.
And this time, she must choose. Stay and live, or escape and die. La Femme Nikita, Season 2, weekdays at 9 a.m., right here on CS9.
Basta LBC, makakarating.
Icy. Creamy. Chewy. With chunky real bits. Treat yourself to the new KFC Crushers. Get crushed.
Back inside the Big Dome, this is Pinoy Basketball kakampi nyo. And get to know more about JRS from Leah Cruz. Leah?
Thank you, Miko. Now, among the thousands of people affected by Typhoon Ondoy, J. Reyes and his family were included in that list. Last Saturday, he was on his way home for practice and he got stranded. However, his wife and his baby were stranded inside their village along Marcos Highway, and he told me the entire story. Basically, together with their brother-in-law, they got stranded inside